All right, let's talk Petco, symbol wolf. I always like that. They comped up 28%. Remember, a lot of companies are doing really well versus last year, but they raised the forecast. The shares are under pressure in early trading. I wouldn't take that as a sign of anything other than almost all the retailers are down today off of early trading. So let's go to the CEO, Ron Coughlin, and find out what's really going on. Ron, welcome back to Squawk on the Street. Good to see you.
Morning, Jim. Great to see you.
Okay, so Ron, let's talk about the wholesale shift during the pandemic. People buying pets like never before. I always hate that sound. Let's say adopting pets, and what it has meant for your growth. And talk about the organic growth that you have, because I think that's what we're all measuring these retailers by right now.
Yeah, we like focusing on adoption. As you know, we're trying to eliminate euthanasia. There were 11 million new pets in 2020, and forecasters continually are taking up their forecast for 2021. Adoptions have been up, breeders are on backlog, et cetera. And what we like to say is you might get a Peloton once, you might redo your garage once, but once you have a new furry friend, they're going to need to be fed, they're going to be groomed, they're going to need to be vaccinated for a decade or more. We call it the furry annuity. And on our part, we picked up 1.2 million new customers in Q1 on the back of 1 million in each Q4 and Q3. And that's really going to power us going forward.
Okay, so once you have a furry friend, you tend to get another furry friend. And the people who buy people who are adopting furry friends tend to get younger and younger, correct?
Well, it's amazing how many 2, 3, 4, 5, and even 6 pet households have happened during COVID. And you're exactly right. Actually, when you look back on 2020, a lot of those new pets were taken by millennials and Gen Zers. And guess what? Those millennials and Gen Zers spent a lot more on their pets. So that's a tailwind on spend per pet. So not only do you have 11 million new pets in 2020, but you have a tailwind on spend per pet, which is going to propel the category. And from our standpoint, our spend per pet is up, our retention is up. So all the fundamentals on the consumer side of our house are very, very strong.
Okay, so Ron, there's two kinds of spends on pet. There is the annuity spend that Chewy has on food. And then, I think the more important annuity, which is sadly, pets get sick. And they can't tell you they're sick. One of the things that you and I both know is the tragedy of an animal that is in incredible pain, and we have no idea. So that's why you need vets. How is the healthcare portion of Petco doing?
Yeah, so last year, if you look at what happened with COVID, our training and our grooming businesses were impinged upon with COVID regulations. They're back to strong double-digit growth. And then we added another 12 vets in the first quarter. We took our estimate of total new vet hospitals up to 72 for the year. But we supplement that with vet clinics, and we added 200 pet care centers with vet clinics. So we're up to 1,200 locations with vet clinics. So between hospitals and our vet clinics, we have the second broadest array of veterinary resources in the United States now.
With 3 million new incremental pets, and with the idea that you've had, 10 consecutive quarters of growth, how many Petcos can we have in this country?
Yeah, so we did culling over the last 3 years of any of the locations that aren't profitable. We're very comfortable with our footprint. We even see some expansion in some of the high growth markets. And we just actually announced our 100th location in Mexico, where we're number one online, number one offline. But the main area where we're focused is increasing throughput per location by adding the vet, adding a just food for dog pantry, and adding a ready store in store, which is our premium apparel and supplies line. And when we add that vet to a pet care center, guess what? Our comps on center store source sales go up between 4 and 6 points. So we get the vet revenue, we get the center store lift, and we're helping take care of pets. Because as you know, our vet hospitals are founded on the idea of affordable vet care. 70% of pets don't get the care they need, and we're trying to address that.
Well, I want to thank you as a pet owner and obviously an owner of pets that are otherwise would be euthanized. I know you do a great deal to try to stop that. It was a good quarter. And I didn't get to mention the free cash flow, which I'm sure the skeptics would love that you are getting much more. And it's great to see you, Ron. Thank you for coming on Squawk on the Street.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.